Welcome to my Dubai adventure. From walking among the skyscrapers and visiting the iconic Burj Khalifa to boat trip around Jumeirah Island with views of the Burj Al Arab, surfing and thrilling desert safari. Get ready to explore one of the most luxurious destinations in the Gulf with me. It can sound weird, but I have a habit to think about my next trip during my trip. And this Dubai trip was came my mind at the Salzburg, my February winter trip. Since then, I started to search about it and figured out where I can go there. And at the April, we had national holiday, which meant that I could able to go there in that time. So I find the tickets and tell my friend Murat if he is interested to join me in for this, and he decided to join me. And here we are. This is my friend Murat, who I traveled with many times. We have so many stories from our trips. We get fined at the Italy, at the bus, and something like that. And here we are again. When I saw his rolling carry-on bag, I told him they might not accept it like that. If it has wheels, they could charge him extra. He insisted that his carry-on bag fit the size described by the vizier. Top of it, he was trying to hide his backpack under his jacket. The officer insisted he must pay the fine and board the plane, but Murat tried to talk his way out of it. In the end, he paid the €60 fine and we caught the flight. And here we are at the Abu Dhabi airport. We plan to take the bus and go directly to the Dubai, where all the attractions and things to do they have. And if the time allow, maybe we could come back to Abu Dhabi and check that around. Bus journey took about 70 minutes, and after that we had to take off from the bus at the bus station and to get the metro to go our hotel at the Creek area. We arrived our hotel at the 11 p.m. and had to have our dinner at the hotel restaurant. Today was our first day in Dubai, and we started things off with a visit of the iconic Burj Khalifa. And wow, what a way to begin the trip. To get to the Burj Khalifa, you will actually need to go through the Dubai Mall. The entrance is tucked away at the basement level of the mall. We had booked our tickets in advance, which turned out to be a great decision. This place gets busy fast, and having tickets ready gave us some peace of mind. Now let's talk about the star of the show. The Burj Khalifa isn't just the tallest building in the world. It's an architectural masterpiece. It stands at a mind-blowing 828 meters. Construction began in 2004, and after 6 years, it's officially opened in 2010. So here I am at the top of the Burj Khalifa. I still remember the first time I saw the construction of this incredible building in a documentary. I was completely amazed, and honestly, I never thought I'd actually be standing here one day on top of this architectural wonder. But here's something that really surprised me. Because of the tower's insane height and design, it's not even connected to a normal sewage system. Instead, all the wastewater is collected and hauled away by trucks every day. Seriously, a skyscraper this modern still relies on trucks for its sewage. That blew my mind. My visit happened to be during Ramadan, and because of the holiday, most workers were off. The streets were filled with the people, which was a clear sign of that. I also noticed that many were using public transportation for free, something that's often offered during the Ramadan in Dubai. Now we are heading to Burj Al Arab, just to check it out from the outside. We tried to access the beach nearby, but turns out you need a reservation, and it comes with a catch. You have to spend at least 150 euros per person at one of the restaurants just to get in. So instead, we decided to explore the Old Souk Dubai, a traditional bazaar not too far from the Burj Al Arab. It's full of charm, local vibes, and lots of unique shops. We even had our dinner here, soaking in the atmosphere of old Dubai. Today we are heading out for a boat tour around the Palm Jumeirah. From the sea, we will get to see famous Atlantis Hotel, where the aquarium is located, and of course the iconic Burj Al Arab from the sea. If we have enough time, later in the day, we are also planning to do a desert safari tour. Let's see how the days unfold.
Stretching 330 meters in height, it's taller than most skyscrapers.
This is Atlantis Hotel Palm, and this is Atlantis Hotel Royal. And here it is, Burj Al Arab. Just look at those skyscrapers. They have popped like mushroom after the rain, towering over the city and transforming the skyline into something out of a sci-fi movie.
City by tram. Passengers travelling to Jumeirah Beach, please interchange to tram at Shabab.
We booked the safari tour online and they pick us up right from our hotel.
What's your bet? How many meters should will he?
I might do well without shoes. I might do better without shoes.
I don't think. I didn't want to fall over, so I started running. It's hard to get back up. Yeah, but at least it's windy. A bit.
After the safari tour, we went straight to the city center for a stroll and dinner. Sandy hair, slippers, and all. My friend Murat brought some dollars and exchanged them for dirhams. And yep, he's counting his money again, just like he's done so many times. I didn't bring any cash. I've been using my debit card everywhere, and it worked perfectly. I actually prefer paying by card, especially since some places ask specifically for card payment. Because of the extreme heat, the bathtubs are air conditioned. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, be sure like and subscribe for more content.